It's Kunit Applegate, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes in Excel. So there are three different ways that I have figured out that you can use to create QR codes. Now, these QR codes can be used to share some specific information with others. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and now let's get started. All right, so let me start off with the first method that we can use to create QR codes, and that's by using VBA codes. Now, when you use VBA codes, you can have two different functions within Excel to generate QR codes. Now, I have already written these codes for you. You just need to copy these codes and paste it in your workbook. So when you go to Developer tab, you just need to insert a new module, and then you need to just paste these codes. Now, let me come back to my worksheet and show you how these two custom functions work. So first of all, I'll insert this function, insert QR code basic, and I'll specify the value, that is a URL for which I want to create a QR code, and I will hit enter. Now, when I do that, it will instantly create an image over that cell, which is the QR code that I want to create. Now, there's one thing that you need to know there. Whenever you want to insert this function, make sure to have the height of the cell a little more so that you can have a bigger QR code. So let me do it again for you. Insert QR code basic, and then select the cell where I have the URL, and then hit enter. And here I have my QR code. Now, along with that, as I said, I have one more function which basically works exactly same, but it allows you to have an image within the QR code. Let me show you how it works. Insert QR code with center, select the URL, specify the cell, and then specify a different URL where I have one image. So I have two arguments to define in this second function, and let me hit enter. Now, I again forgot to change the height of the cell, but you can see here I have the QR code, and within this QR code I have my own image that I'm using from this particular URL. So these are the two functions that you can use in your Excel workbook to create a QR generating template. Now let me show you how these codes work, but the whole idea is pretty simple. You just need to copy and paste the codes and start using right away. So in these codes, basically we're using an API from a website that actually helps us to create QR codes. Now the same thing can also be achieved by using the image function. The image function is a new function in Excel which is available in Excel 365. And if you have 365, you can use this function. So what you need to do is you just need to insert the image function, and then you need to use an API from a website that is called QuickChart.io. Now this API allows you to quickly create a QR code. So what I'll do, I'll copy this URL from here, and I'll go back to my workbook, and here I'm gonna enter the image function. And in the image function, in the first argument, which is source argument, and this argument is basically the required argument, and that is why I'm gonna paste this URL here. And now in this URL, I have a parameter that is called text. So text is basically for which I want to create a QR code. It can be a value, it can be a URL, it can be anything, even a message. So what I'll do, I'll enter double quotation marks and enter an ampersand, and then I'm gonna select the cell A1 where I have the URL, and then I'm gonna close this function. And now I have a QR code instantly in my cell. Now, when I go back to this website, I can show you that there are a lot of other parameters that you can use within the function, image function, to create QR code. Let's say if you want to have sort of margin around your QR code, or if you want to use a light color or a dark color, or you want to, again want to use a center image. So you can use all these parameters. So make sure to have a look around in this website and find all the parameters that you can use to create a QR code. Now the third method to create QR code in Excel is by using third-party add-ins. So when you go to developer tab and click on add-ins, you need to click on stores and you need to search for a QR code add-ins. So here you have a bunch of add-ins that you can install and start creating QR codes. So I'll go with this third one, QR4 Office, and let me add it. So when you add this add-in in your Excel, it gives you a few options that you can use to customize your QR, like, sort of background, color of the QR code, size of the QR code. Let's say if you want to create QR code for a specific purpose, let's say for a phone number, SMS, geolocation, or a custom message, or even a URL that we have seen in the last examples. So what I'll do, I'll go with a custom message, say hello, and choose a simple color here. Let's say go with the blue one, and let me increase the size a little bit. And let me go low on error correction, and let me insert it. So the moment I click on insert, it will insert an image within the worksheet. So you can try and play around with these add-ins to generate QR codes. And I have found all three pretty relevant according to the need I have. Now make sure to go to the comment section and share with me which method you like the most and which you find more relevant to you or to your work. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with a lot of cool Excel tips and tricks and using AI within Excel in coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.